Today we're ready to add the 30th name to the list of winners of the Harlan Hill Trophy. That winner will then be invited to Florence, Alabama for an official trophy presentation luncheon on Friday, January the 8th, 2016. The 2015 winner of the Harlan Hill Trophy is Jason Vanderland of Ferris State University. Jason becomes the fourth student athlete to win the Harlan Hill Trophy more than once, joining Johnny Bailey, Dusty Bonner, and Danny Woodhead. And he won the 2015 award with the fourth highest vote total in the 30-year history of the Hill Trophy. Congratulations, Jason Vanderland.
Well, it's just a culmination of a great career, great person, great football player, had a huge impact on this institution, and we're also very proud of him and what he stood for, not only as a football player, but as a person who wanted to give to others and impact our community in a positive way. So, couldn't have been a better young man, and I'm going to miss him. And on for his career. Looking forward to having a chance to be in the NFL, and he meant just about everything to this community, our team, to the people in this room. It's just an incredible young man. Well, the greatest thing he did for us as a team was he was the most coachable guy on the team. So the best player, that's the hardest worker, that's the most coachable, who never felt like he had arrived. Nobody felt entitled on our team because a guy like Jason Vanderland didn't feel entitled. So that's just a huge factor in our success. So we owe a lot to the young man that he was for Ferris State University, and our relationship individually, but with his relationship with all of our players and members of Ferris State and the entire institution. Well, he was I think the fifth leading rusher in the nation. That's including all the running backs. He was one of the top 10 in passing efficiency. So statistically, he was it was mind-boggling. So I'd hoped he'd win, but you're always nervous, to wonder what's going to happen. But I was more confident this year than last year that he was going to win, because he had just such an incredible year again. Obviously, people look at the physical attributes. Obviously, he's big, strong, fast, but the mental attributes, I think, exceed anything he has physically. So, if there's a way it can be done where he can play in the NFL, Jason Vanderland's going to figure that out. So, it's something that he's going to go to work on right away, and we all wish him well.
Jason's probably one of the most humble guys I've ever met in my entire career. And when you go into Saturdays and you're blocking for a guy like that who's always got your back and who always has positive things to say about you, it's very enjoyable. And so for him to win this, I'm not surprised. One of the hardest working guys I've ever met in my entire life. And day in and day out, he just puts the work in. And that he sets the example for guys like us. He expects a lot out of us, and we expect a lot out of him. And, we got his back and he's got ours. So it's always been great. Yeah, Jason's always been the guy, the first one to get in the weight room and the last one to leave. And, in the summer, he was the guy texting me, where are you at? We're going to do extra field work at, noon or stuff like that. So just for him to win this award and get acknowledged, I couldn't be more proud of him. Great guy. Definitely set the example for this program, and definitely shows how the game should be played. So. If you look at Jason 4 years ago to where he is now, just the strides he's made, and that's a credit to Coach Anise and the staff, and the university getting more involved, and everyone just kind of really buying in. I think, I think Ferris is still going to be on the rise, and I think that our best football is still in the future, and I think guys like Jason have made Ferris State what Ferris State is now, and for that I can't thank them enough, and the coaching staff for making us, who we are and making us the young men that we are. I was thinking you better text me and say thank you, because he owes me a lot. But no, I couldn't be happier for him. I texted him and congratulated him. I talked to him this morning too. He's always been texting me, asking me if I'm all right. Always text me after games, and he's been one of my close friends over the couple of years I've been here, and so I just couldn't be happier for him. Just he deserves everything he gets. Just a hardworking, humble man.